Web Marketing here again, and I'm going to show you how to add WordPress to your website. So once you've already paid for your hosting, um, you know, depending on who you're dealing with, they're gonna send you a cPanel or something else. In this case, we're gonna do it with the cPanel, and we're gonna quick install a WordPress website onto our hosting package. So we're gonna put that into files. Of course, this is not gonna be the old school way. This is actually gonna be the software that's included already into the cPanel. It's in the back end. So once you're in your cPanel and logged in, they should give you, a password, username, password to be able to log into your cPanel. You're gonna see this screen. You're gonna see the file manager, all these things, all these good things up here, but you're gonna want to scroll down. Typically, it's closer towards the bottom. On mine, it's on software, and it's also under Soft Delicious Apps Installer. As you see, WordPress, so you can choose any. I'm gonna go under Quick Install, and now you don't have to log in or anything. You can scroll down until you see this, the Install WordPress. We're gonna click it, and then no, you do not want to do this unless you don't feel comfortable with doing it. You're gonna want the free version of WordPress, because WordPress is, just a free CMS. So in this case, we're gonna pick what website or what domain we want to add it on. And if you want it to be on the main root, which that means once you type this, you'll see the website. You don't type anything here, but since I already have something in that main root file, I'm gonna make, an example WordPress website. So for that, we're actually going to, let me see, we're gonna put here just a regular email. Let me see, what can we put in there? So I'm gonna use my regular email. So okay, then we're gonna add a blog title, and in this case it's just going to be example. The admin user, we're going to put just example, because later I'm gonna change all of this, or I'm gonna delete all of it. We're just gonna put example. Okay, once we filled out everything, we're just gonna click install WordPress. It's gonna always try to upsell you something. You don't need it, right? Once you install, you're gonna have this message right here at the top. It's gonna give you the credentials. So here, I'm gonna go back here. You're not gonna want to click out of this page yet. So click on that link that it gives you. This is your admin panel. Remember your admin panel, it's going to give you, look, let me show you. It's going to show you this, and since mine is under the example folder on this website, at the end I'm just going to put a / WP admin. And if you're doing it on the root, it's just going to look like this, except, it's not going to have example in there. It's just going to be your website / WP admin. And it's going to send you to that login page. I'm going to copy that password right there, and I'm going to take it over to here. So we're going to put, that login information that I created in that other page, and log in that way. Okay, just to make sure. Verifying. I'm going to say no, and then yes, this is the correct email. Lately WordPress has You know, they ask you if you want to verify, and there you go. You have a WordPress website for free through your cPanel. So there's no need to pay any extra money for a WordPress website. The only things you should be paying for is your domain name and your hosting, and that's it. Everything else is free, and per year it usually runs you about $50 for something decent, for something pretty good. And then here you're welcome to, you know, just go through and start having at it. I'm going to show you how it looks on the front end, and this is just the regular website, you know, the default WordPress website. And that's it, guys. That's how you install WordPress website into your cPanel. I mean, through your cPanel. So yeah, just like and subscribe for more content.